Simple ideas for helping you to understand dogs. Perfection is in the eye of the beholder. Whether or not you've made mistakes with your dog doesn't matter as long as you have always provided them with love. That said, read on to find out more about tips and tricks regarding your dog and how to avoid some mistakes others have made. Make your home safe for your dog. Your entire home should be safe prior to bringing the dog inside. Make sure chemicals, medications and any garbage is out of reach of the dog. Many common household plants are poisonous, so keep them away from your dog or get rid of them. Always neuter or spay your pet. It is a known fact that doing this will lessen the probability of your dog getting cancer. In addition, spayed or neutered dogs aren't as likely to roam away from your home, which can result in them getting run over by a vehicle, killed by a bigger animal, shot, or kidnapped. When it comes to dog flea treatments, you should proceed with caution. A lot of them can cause cancer in children. Ask your vet for recommendations. Be sure to keep children away while you're applying any flea treatment. Hot summer days are harder for dogs to handle than humans. Always make sure your pet has enough water to drink. Provide them with a shaded area to rest if they are going to be outside for any length of time. And, if your dog begins acting in an unusual manner, call the veterinarian. Heat stroke could be fatal, so it is important to get medical care as soon as possible. Never give your dog milk. It's not necessary for his body and he doesn't have the proper enzymes to digest it anyway. Feeding your dog cow's milk can lead to chronic diarrhea and leave him with an upset stomach, among other health problems. Stick with plain old water for a healthy and hydrated dog. Talk to your vet about your dog's food portions. Some people feed the dog based on their food package recommendations, but these can be wrong and cause them to be overweight. Speak with a vet to see what you should be feeding your dog according to its needs. Perfect advice is impossible to find. That said, what you have watched here is a great start to your dog education. While your dog and your situation differ from those of the authors, the general knowledge you have gained is priceless. Make use of what you have learned today to make for a better tomorrow. A professional dog trainer reveals 21 brain games that will skyrocket your dog's intelligence, obedience, and overall behavior. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. You can also discover the secret to making your dog's problem behaviors disappear. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. Or, do you want to learn how to teach your dog to play the piano? How amazing would that be? Please visit wickedsmartdog.com to learn this and more. Link in the description.